In this video, we'll be reviewing how to create a contact group in Google so that when you send an email, especially now as we're sending kind of weekly updates or daily updates to parents and students, we can make this process quicker than always having to go into PowerTeacher and then copying and pasting those emails. So for instance, if I was to go to compose my email for my AP Physics 1 parents and students, if I just start typing in AP 1, I've made up a group contact list that has all of them dumped in there, and I don't have to go through that each time. So let me show you how to get that set up. The first thing to do is we're going to go to the Contact app, and so when you click the little dots on any open Google page, you can scroll down to see Contacts, and within Contacts, then we will create a multiple contact group. So we click on Create Multiple, and we need to set a label for this, so maybe I'll call it Physics 3 class, and maybe that'll have my students and parents all added into that one group. So I've made the label, and now it wants me to dump the names in. Well, to get those names, you're going to have to go to that step that we did in PowerTeacher that we have done before, where you email out to the whole class. So you select all the students, select all those parents, you separate them by a comma, and build that list. Then you can copy that, go back to Google Contacts, and paste all of those emails in. So that is kind of the same process you would do to write an email, but the good thing about this, if we're going to have to do this multiple times, you just have to really do this first time, and then it's set up, ready to go, and every time you make the email, that group is in there. So we click Create, and then it'll take a little bit of time, but that should see now as a contact group. That's really all we need to do in Contacts. So then as we go to compose an email, we'll click Blind Carbon Copy, so that way we're not having everyone see each other's email. And then we'll just type in Physics 3, and as soon as you get close enough, it'll just pop that up as the next link. Then I can send out my plan for the day, or the week, whatever we're doing for this extended learning period, and notify all the parents and students at once.